Hey there, welcome to our video on credit scores. In this video, we'll be answering some of the most common questions about credit scores, including what a good credit score is, and how you can get a good credit score. A good credit score is an important financial tool that can help you in a variety of ways, from getting approved for loans and credit cards to renting an apartment or even getting a job. But what exactly is a good credit score, and how can you get one? In this video, we'll answer those questions and more. First of all, let's define what a credit score is. A credit score is a number that represents your creditworthiness, or how likely you are to pay back a loan. It's based on your credit history, which includes things like your payment history, how much credit you have available, and how long you've had credit. So, what's considered a good credit score? Credit scores typically range from 300 to 850. Generally speaking, a score of 670 or higher is considered good, while a score of 740 or higher is considered very good, and a score of 800 or higher is considered excellent. Now, you might be wondering how you can improve your credit score if it's not where you want it to be. There are a few things you can do to improve your credit score. First, make sure you are paying all of your bills on time, since payment history is one of the most important factors in your credit score. Second, try to keep your credit card balances low, since using too much of your available credit can hurt your score. And finally, try to avoid opening too many new credit accounts at once, since that can also lower your score. If you're just starting out and don't have much of a credit history yet, one thing you can do is apply for a secured credit card. This is a type of credit card where you put down a deposit that serves as your credit limit. Using a secured credit card responsibly can help you build up your credit history over time. Other types of loans, like a car loan or a mortgage, can also be helpful for building up your credit history, as long as you make all of your payments on time. Just keep in mind that it's generally easier to get approved for loans if you already have a good credit score. It's also important to note that you are entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year. You can request your reports at annualcreditreport.com. It's important to review your reports regularly to make sure there are no errors or fraudulent activity that could be hurting your score. In summary, having a good credit score can open up a lot of financial opportunities for you, and there are things you can do to improve your score if it's not where you want it to be. Remember to pay your bills on time, keep your credit card balances low, and avoid opening too many new accounts at once. By following these tips and regularly reviewing your credit reports, you can work toward achieving a good credit score and all the benefits that come with it. Hey there, welcome to our video on credit scores. In this video, we'll be answering some of the most common questions about credit scores, including what a good credit score is, and how you can get a good credit score.